Hi guys, I'm Kevin from Premier Car Care, and boy have I been excited to bring you these machines. Now, for you guys who's followed me back from way beyond, back in 2016 I was going into business with a chap who was bringing in a machine into the UK that I believe was going to change everything in terms of cleaning and sanitising, extracting, vacuum. Now, I was looking for one machine and I found it, and as I say, unfortunately that didn't materialise. Now, unfortunately I couldn't bring these machines myself into the UK because of finance reasons. So it's now here. We found a UK distributor, and that distributor is IVO Group down in Kent. Now, I'm working alongside them to bring you these machines. They're absolutely fantastic. So let me go into them. We have an 8-bar pressure steam cleaner, and behind me on my left we have a 4.5 bar machine. Now, literally that is the difference between the two machines, is the bar of pressure of steam. So we have a steam cleaner. They're also a vacuum cleaner. They are also an extraction cleaner. Now, to me, in my opinion, that changes everything. It's a dry steam. So it's not going to put loads of water on your seats. In my opinion, you would spray your seats and you would agitate from there, and you would use this to obviously suck the dirt up. There's going to be various videos over various amounts of time. We're showing you the features and benefits of both machines. For demonstration use, I've switched the 8-bar pressure machine on. Now, two things. As we can see on the front, we've got 155 degrees Celsius. Now, this will get up to around about 170. The 4.5, sorry, will get up to 160. So not a lot of difference, nothing that you're going to predominantly see, especially cleaning cars. It's connected by the hose and obviously the lance. On the back of the lance, we have obviously the trigger, and on the back of the trigger, we have the on and off button. So, just put this pen down. On the face, we have a little fan right below the digital gauge. If I press that, that will be the vacuum activated, and we have 5 settings. So if I press that, we go to A1, and then go to the plus sign, A2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you can do is at the back of the trigger, we have a button. So if you're working inside the car, you don't have to get outside the car to switch it off at the machine. It's all can be activated at the back. Now, on the table there's various different accessories. And for demonstration use, I'm just going to put this attachment on. So it's literally push, click and turn. And then we have the trigger underneath. We have a locking mechanism on the trigger. So it's locked, can't press. And there's our steam. Now on the top of the machine, we have our steam control. So I'm going to turn it right down and press. As you can see, as I'm pressing and I'm turning, the pressure is going up. So switch that off, and you can use the vacuum and the steam at the same time. Switch that off with the trigger. Close that down. What's also remarkable about this machine is there is no paper filters. The filter is in the tank below. So we have a maximum and a minimum. We'd fill it just above the minimum with just plain water, and that acts as your filtration. All your waste will go into the tank below, so then you just empty it at the end. In terms of the accessories, we have different nozzles, which, to be fair, there's not a lot of use inside of a vehicle, but around cookers, if you're going to use it in the house, around your kitchen, bathroom, for argument's sake. The extension part, which I'll take off, we can then put extensions if you want some detailed work. Oops. And then you can screw those onto that. And then have the crevice tool. Now the crevice tool, as I said earlier on, you can use it just solely as a vacuum. Put your crevice tool on. You can also put your extensions on. Take that one off. And then your crevice tool can go on to the extension. Take that back off. We then have a smaller handheld accessory, which we can then add on a brush attachment. Take that off. We can then have a rubber squeegee. So got on vinyls if you're doing a floor, if you're doing glass. So we have a small and we have a large. And then we have obviously your different attachments for a floor tool. And then there's your arms, or your legs, whatever you wish to call them, for the floor. On the 8-bar pressure machine, as well as the 4.5 bar pressure machine, we need to fill the tank up with water. And that's easy. There's a cap at the top. We release that cap, just pull it off. And we have a bottle, fill up with water, add the cap, and this is a safety nozzle, so you can put your water in and it'll not come out. And what you do is you just locate that and then just push down and the water will go into the tank. Now, if you overfill, it will automatically fall into the waste tank or where the filtered water is. Now, as I say, for myself, I like to agitate the fabric or whatever you're steam cleaning. What you can do is there's a soap dispenser at the back of each machine. So you can put detergents in the machine if you wish. So let me reiterate that this is a dry steam system. It's an extraction machine, it's a vacuum machine, all in one. Now, to me, I don't think there's anything like this on the market today. Because essentially, even me included, there was a vacuum cleaner that I needed. I needed a separate steam cleaner, and I needed a separate extraction machine. Now, let me discuss the most important thing. And to you guys, that will be cost. I do get it. Now, this is what to me is absolutely fantastic about these machines. In my opinion, the 4.5 bar machine is absolutely superb for car detailing. If you're wanting to clean other things, when maybe you're going to engine bays and you're coming to you want a little bit of higher pressure, then that does have the capabilities. But be careful when using an 8-bar pressure machine in the interior of a car. But two absolutely fantastic machines. The 4.5 bar machine is what they call the Tekna. And the Tekna is retailing at £999 excluding VAT. That's £1,198.80 including the VAT. Now the Athena is what we're calling the 8 bar is £1,590 excluding the VAT and £1,908 including the VAT. So yes, there's a little bit of a jump, but it's the bar of pressure that obviously makes it a bigger and better machine of the capabilities of that, obviously that pressure behind it. But me personally, the 4.5 bar machine does exactly what you need in terms of detailing the car. It's just bear in mind if you want that extra pressure, if you want to do other things, especially around engine bays, then that extra bit of pressure might be the 8 bar. Now, how do you purchase? It's basically direct with IVO Group. If you speak to their sales department, I'll put all the details below on this post for you to contact them either by telephone or by email. There is also finance options. So if you want to put it over 12, 24 or 36 months, that can be organised, but ultimately that's down to your credit rating, but that can be organised. Both machines will come with these accessories included. They'll also come with a 12-month warranty. I think that's most important. So within the 12 months, if it's a fault of the machine, then yes, they're covered under warranty. The IVO Group is fantastic in terms of customer service. You shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. If you have any questions, by all means, just drop me an email, a DM, or just pick up the phone and give me a call and I'll be happy to help. Now, until the end of August, in releasing this video, you will get 10% off by using the voucher code of Premier 10. That's Premier 10 will get you 10% off the purchase of either machine. But you must tell sales about Premier 10 and that will give you your 10% discount until the end of August. So thanks guys, watch out for further updates. There's more videos coming on both machines. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share. Happy steam cleaning. But one thing before you go. Hopefully you've watched this video until the end. Until the end of August, by using Premier 10, you will get 2 more free accessories worth up to £65, and they are, first of all, is a turbo kind of floor tool. So let me plug this in and demonstrate. Push, click. Now I'm going to release the steam and now the vacuum. Absolutely fantastic for floor mats, car mats. I'll release that. Just rest that down. So that's accessory 1, and the next one is your transparent upholstery attachment. And that obviously obviously it goes bottom. So yeah, appreciate you watching this quite long video, but so excited guys, these machines is absolutely fantastic. And they're coming with 2 extra free accessories. Premier 10, speak to either your group, give them a call, give me a call, get one ordered up, you will not be disappointed. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you later.